So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how to source and to find winning products using Wayfair. Now, if you guys don't know what Wayfair.com is, Wayfair is a billion-dollar publicly traded American e-commerce company. You guys can see Boston, Massachusetts, American e-commerce company. Why is that important? It's because this is living proof that there is huge market potential in the e-commerce market. How much is the e-commerce market worth? It is trillions of dollars, and Wayfair is a living example of a high-ticket dropshipping store that has tons of winning products. That's the proof of concept. It's literally publicly traded and it's worth billions of dollars. And if you guys go into this tab over here, where if you go on Google and you search Wayfair dropshipping, you're gonna see the Wayfair partner agreement. And I'm not gonna read this all for you. You could obviously comprehend and read this. I want to share with you guys one thing at the very end of this, which is if you're ready to become a dropshipping supplier at Wayfair, you could actually apply to sell to them. So maybe you're a business owner right now that has your own physical luxury brand and you want to get more marketing, get more promotion, and you want to use Wayfair. You could actually submit a form to partner with Wayfair because Wayfair does so much marketing. They do so much promotion and they support the dropshipping model. Quite frankly, a lot of suppliers and e-commerce businesses run the same model, and a lot of people don't know about it. That's why in today's video, I will share with you guys exactly how to find winning products. First, by understanding that every supplier that you might see on Wayfair has a dropshipping program. That's very interesting to think about, right? Because if you're just browsing through Wayfair, which we're about to do right now, every single supplier probably had to apply on that exact form just to get past Wayfair's processes. So how I imagine it is Wayfair probably has lots of suppliers, lots of vendors, lots of manufacturers that want to put their marketing on Wayfair because Wayfair knows how to do marketing. And how they do marketing is probably a mix of social media, Facebook, Meta, TikTok, Google, Pinterest, running advertisement on all of them. But today's video is showing you guys how to find products. So the easiest way is to go on Wayfair. And then what you need to do is look at what Wayfair is promoting on their banners. You guys can see there are lots of different things that are being promoted. Sometimes it's more relevant than not, okay? But you can see there's gifts for mom, and automatically you see what? This is a coffee machine. You see these outdoor patio sets. You see these ceiling fans. These are some gold sinks I was looking into. But would you believe or not, gold sinks actually sell for thousands of dollars. It's crazy. I couldn't believe it myself, but it's true. And this is a perfect example of what I mean, okay? So a brand like Fontana Showers over here, you can see brand, they probably had to apply on this form as well. They probably had to apply this form and probably took a while, but they're finally on Wayfair. So if you actually go and search that brand on Google, you will actually most of the time find the brand themselves, and they will actually try to sell themselves on their own websites, and they want to use Wayfair as an additional traffic source, as a potential dropshipper, as a potential online dealer, online authorized retailer. Guys, these are some of the keywords that you guys should be knowing. I have another video where I talk about all of the e-commerce terms that you should be knowing. It's on my channel, check that out. But you guys need to be a good authorized dealer just like Wayfair. And most of these brands, like, they want you to apply. They want you to be part of their dropshipping program. You can see Hughes, BMO Project, Arc Daily. These are all different dropshippers that are selling them. House is crazy. I actually haven't really done too much digging with them, but these are all potential products as well. Look at that, ceiling fans, TV stands. TV stands actually do pretty well, I've seen. But you guys could see over here, it's all relatively the same. Meaning these are all brands that are hopping onto the trend just like Wayfair. And there are billions of dollars in a $1 trillion market. And what you need to do is find brands that have dropshipping programs, or you call them to apply to become a dropshipper. Okay, another example of this is gonna be Sunray Saunas. Sunray Saunas is a sauna brand, all right? I found them. And I know that they have a dropshipping program for sure because on the contact form, they have this question where, would you like to participate in the dropship program? If you guys go on Google and you search for Napoleon dealer program, just search the 3 words Napoleon dealer program, you could actually see this is a 8-figure brand and they like e-commerce. They like dropshippers. They like authorized dealers. That's why you see these big brands take care of their dealers because simply put, this e-commerce business model works. If us as a authorized dealer or a dropshipper, if we take care of the marketing, if we take care of the promotion, if we run the ads and the supplier does what they do best, which is product development, which is supply chain, which is post-purchase sales delivery. If they're able to solidify that side, and then we as a dealer take care of the customer support, take care of the marketing, take care of the promotion, let the world know what the products are going in stock, out of stock, back ordered, discounted, all of those. If we're able to create both of these legs, you then create the ultimate harmony for customer support, which is exactly how big brands like BBQ guys exited for over $973 million. Okay, they exited for $900 million in a $1 trillion market. And Wayfair is living proof that this business model is working and is continually working. And you could find winning products, winning suppliers simply by looking at Wayfair and finding all of the different niches and playing around and going through, looking up all of these brands and searching them. Kingston Brass is another one. Deer Valley could be another one. And you have all of these brands that you could go in and you could hit and be like, hey, I want to apply to your dealer program. I want to build a sink shop. I want to build a shop for sinks or showers. All right, I want to build the Kingston shop. All right, something like that. And you could actually apply to become a dealer. They have a dealer locator, they have wholesale accounts. So you know they have these things and you could apply if you're willing to provide the right customer support to the clients, if you're willing to learn the ad strategy that is shared for you guys inside our free members exclusive community. It's free, over 5,000 members. I'll put the link down below. It's our school community, peakflowacademy.com/school. I'll put it down, the link down below. But ladies and gentlemen, if you guys want to take your e-commerce business to the next level, if you guys want to apply this business model in real time, I have results that will last a lifetime from people that I've met. That's been absolutely amazing. Meeting people at the highest level that can actually take this business model and even do better than me, do above and beyond and excel, and me being able to be around that energy and learning from them. I mean, that is what makes our one-on-one coaching program so valuable. It's so valuable because you have insight from others that are doing the same thing you're doing. You have people that will keep you accountable. You have the most up-to-date market information. We're currently testing new things. We share collectively and we move as a unit. And that's one of the biggest lessons that I learned throughout my years of business, which is you are as strong as your weakest link. It is true. And if you want to go far, you need to build a team. If you want to go fast, you go alone. If you want to go far, you go together. And if you want to go really far, you have to have a team, and you are as strong as your weakest link. So all of this matters, and the people that you surround yourself with, your net worth is based on your network. So find the right people, and if you guys do have the investment capital, you guys want to accelerate your success with high ticket dropshipping, I highly recommend you guys to get a mentor. And if it could be me, or if it could be Trevor, or any of our coaches that we personally vet, it will be our honor. See if you qualify down below in the application form. But with that being said, I hope you guys found value in today's video. This is how to dropship and find winning products, high ticket suppliers that will last you the test of time by finding the same suppliers that apply on Wayfair's program. Guys, let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments down below. Make sure you guys hit the like, hit the subscribe, come back for more high ticket dropshipping info. I'll see you guys all in the next one. Peace.